2024 is all about AI and today we're gonna have a lot of fun. What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. In my recent videos, I've been seeing a lot of comments from you people asking me to show how to build like a streaming setup or like a studio at your home. So today in this video, we'll be talking about that. First of all, let me tell you, building a studio or even like a streaming setup is not that easy. You'll definitely need like a huge investment because you'll need like proper backgrounds and also you'll need like soundproofing your room. You'll need like good headset, microphone. The list is just never ending, and I'm telling you, right, don't waste your parents' hard-earned money, guys. You people have no idea how difficult it is to earn money. Instead, today in this video, I'll show you like an excellent solution where you can build like a studio for absolutely free of cost using NVIDIA's AI technology. On that note, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content. So first thing you'll need to get started is a PC, because obviously, right, without PC you cannot do anything. Forget content creation or even a studio, you can't even play games. So make sure to save a bit of money and invest all of that into building a good PC. Now you can build a PC in like multiple ways depending on your requirement. For example, if you're building like a gaming PC, you'll need like different set of configuration. Today's our whole topic is about like content creation and for like studio setup and streaming purpose, right? For that sake, today in this video we will be building a PC completely for like content creation and streaming sort of sake only. And for that purpose I have chosen like very interesting components. Obviously I'll be going for like a top end system only because I want this PC to last for longer, guys, like future proof, so you don't need to worry about the next couple of years. And for that sake I have chosen Intel's 14th Gen i9 14900K, and we will be pairing that with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 40 series GPU. Now depending on your budget you can go for like a 4070 Super, but today we will be going for like top of the line 4080 Super, that too from Inno3D, and is like excellent for AI applications, content creation, and not just content creation. This PC is also great for gaming as well. You can do like excellent 4K gaming. Now you people know, right, these 40 series super cards are based on NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, and yes, obviously you're getting support for ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, ray reconstruction, and not to miss out NVIDIA's reflex as well. Now ray tracing, when you enable that, right, it tries to give you like realistic lighting, realistic shadows, and basically takes your whole gaming experience to next level. But ray tracing puts a bit of load on the GPU, and because of that you might see a drop in the performance or the FPS. This is where DLSS comes into play. DLSS stands for deep learning super sampling, and with the introduction of super series cards you got like big upgrade to DLSS, introducing DLSS 3.5 and 3.7 as well, which greatly improves your overall frame rate using AI frame generation without actually compromising on the image quality. So today in this video, not just content creation or productive sort of applications, we'll also do in a bit of gaming test and show you how ray tracing and DLSS improve your overall gaming experience. So keeping the gaming needs aside, our main star of the show is NVIDIA's broadcast tab. Using this you can convert or transform your simple looking room or your home, right, into a professional level studio experience using NVIDIA's AI technology. This app offers like excellent audio and also video enhancements using AI, and there are so many features which we'll be talking about in this video, so make sure to watch it till the end. Let's quickly get started with our PC. And wait a second, I haven't showed you the GPU we'll be using today, right? This is Inno3D's GeForce RTX 4080 Super X3 edition, the most value for money triple fan card available right now in the market, offering up to 16 gigs of GDDR6 memory and also with a boost clock of up to 2580 MHz. And boys, we are finally done building our PC, and damn, it looks classy, right? Love the touch of RGB lighting on the components. Just have a look at these beautiful PC shots and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, time to talk about the performance. The main purpose of building this PC was for like content creation, streaming and productivity sake, right? There is nothing less you can expect over here. This is like a dream PC for content creation and workstation purpose, guys. No matter what sort of application or workload you throw at it, it handles it like a breeze. For example, right now as you can see, we've been doing a bit of Photoshop and also video editing on Premiere Pro, and the performance was like really good, guys. No matter how intense graphical applications workloads you throw at it, right, it was handling it very well. And not only that, coming to Premiere Pro, I've also done a bit of 4K video editing over here. One of my videos only, which is shot in like 420 10-bit 4K format, that too at 50 FPS, and the PC was handling all the video editing, timeline performance, everything was like really smooth, guys. As you can see, there is no sort of lag or stutter on the timeline, very smooth performance. And not just this, even the render times was also very good, guys. To show you a difference how much GPU can improve your overall performance, we'll be doing a quick comparison between CPU and GPU based render times using Premiere Pro. In this first test, we are encoding an 8-minute 4K video file without using NVIDIA's GPU, based only on the CPU, and as you can see, it is definitely taking quite a bit of time, right? 8-minute 4K video is taking around 12 to 13 minutes to render fully. But see what happens when you actually add NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 4080 Super to your PC. Whoa, now that is what I'm talking about. Greatly improved render times, right? The same 8-minute 4K video file is now being rendered in just under 5 minutes. That is the kind of magic NVIDIA's GPUs can do for productive sort of applications. We are getting almost like 2.5 times faster results. Alright, moving on, if you're thinking this PC is just for content creation, no man, that is where you're wrong. You can actually do like excellent AAA gaming as well. And to show you that, we will be playing Alan Wake 2. Alan Wake 2 offers full ray tracing along with path tracing in direct lighting, and is definitely a good game to test this GPU's potential. In this first clip, all NVIDIA technologies are turned off, and we'll be checking out the raw performance of 3D's 4080 Super, that too at 4K resolution, maximum ultra settings. Ah, nice, you people see that? On an average, we were getting a consistent 55 to 60 FPS at 4K max settings, that too without NVIDIA's frame generation or DLSS technology. Pretty impressive, I would say. But the main question is, how does it handle ray tracing at 4K? Now you people know, right, ray tracing is the real deal. When you enable it, you get to experience realistic lighting, reflections and shadows, and brings like a whole new level of depth and perspective to the game. To give you a better idea, we'll be doing a quick comparison using Alan Wake 2. In this first clip, ray tracing is off, and here's how the gameplay looks like. Pretty normal, right? I mean, it's good, but nothing extraordinary. But see what happens when I enable ray tracing in the settings. Bam! Immediately noticeable difference, right? Especially in the game's lighting and the shadows. Just look at the shadows over here, near the chair and the edge of the table. Ray tracing offers you much more accurate, dynamic and realistic looking experience. Let me just put these clips side by side so you'll better understand what's happening. Ah, now you can actually check out the difference, right? This is what I was talking about. Well, that was about ray tracing and the magic it does. But the only thing is, ray tracing is quite taxing on the GPU. You will definitely see a drop in the performance once you enable it. And this is where NVIDIA's DLSS comes into play. You people know, right? DLSS stands for Deep Learning Super Sampling, and it's an upscaling technology that greatly boosts your frame rates without compromising on the image quality. And AI frame generation also massively boosts your frame rate up to 4 times depending on the current resolution you're playing the game at. Along with ray tracing, Alan Wake 2 also supports DLSS 3.5 and AI frame generation as well. We'll be playing the game at similar 4K max settings just like the previous test and see how it goes. In this first clip, as you can see, DLSS and AI frame generation are off, and we're only getting around like 28 to 29 FPS. Though mind you, we're playing the game with ray tracing set to high and path tracing is also enabled. But see what happens now. By simply enabling DLSS 3.5 and AI frame generation, bam! Almost 2x performance improvement is there, making the overall experience much more smoother and playable, that too with ray tracing enabled. I'm telling you, right, once you get used to playing games like this, there is no going back. Finally, not to miss out NVIDIA's Reflex as well. Reflex is NVIDIA's low latency technology that optimizes your overall system latency and greatly improves the response times. To show you a quick demo, we'll be playing CS2 right now. When NVIDIA's Reflex is off in the game, as you can see, PC latency was somewhere around 14 to 15 milliseconds. You can check out the gameplay over here. But quickly enabling Reflex in the game settings and bam, there you go. PC latency came down to almost like 10 to 11 milliseconds. Decent improvement, I'd say, especially especially for all the esport players out there. I know you people are waiting for this part, right? How to create an AI streaming setup at your place. As I've told you at the beginning, you don't need to invest in any extra hardware, extra gear, nothing like that. All you need to do is download NVIDIA's broadcast app, especially if you're like a gamer or streamer, right? And you stream a lot of content online. Broadcast offers you a lot of video and audio enhancements, all using their AI technology. Literally transforms your simple looking basic room into a total studio. You've got different sections over here, like there's a microphone section, speaker section is there, and camera effects section. When you're streaming, right, I'm pretty sure a lot of streamers might have faced this, where your microphone picks up a lot of unnecessary background noises, maybe like your fan noise, AC noise, or even your keyboard clicks. You can very easily eliminate all of those using NVIDIA's AI using noise removal, and you also have echo removal feature as well. You can even fine tune the strength of the effect as well, all as per your requirement. Not just the mic effects, you even have like great camera tools for your webcam streaming. You can enable background blur or even set up like a virtual backdrop, all at your fingertips, very easily accessible from this broadcast app. No extra hardware required, guys. Super handy and useful for streamers. Definitely check it out. Well, that is pretty much it. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. And before you conclude, I'd like to give you a heads up. NVIDIA's GeForce Day 2024 is happening on 27th of July this month, next week probably, at Koramangala Indoor Stadium, Bengaluru, where they'll be having a lot of demo zones with different PCs. You can actually go there, experience gaming and all these AI technologies firsthand. And PC Studio will also be participating over there with multiple PC setups for creators and gamers as well. Plus, they're also organizing some giveaways as well for the next 4 weekends on their Instagram Live. All details and links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got a lot of useful information. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.